If you want perfect skin, you have to try tretinoin. It really completely changed my skin and gave me new skin and gave me perfect skin. And the reason I started using it was because my friend who has really good skin already, like naturally, I saw her and her skin literally looked perfect. She doesn't even need to wear like face makeup. I swear, she just like puts eyeliner and mascara on, and I wanted my skin to be like that good. So I was like, why does your skin look so good? And she was telling me, she's like, you need to get on tretinoin. And at that point I had heard about it before, and I've always known about like retinols and retin-A, but I have also heard a lot of scary things like peeling and the redness and the dryness, and people just reacting to it weird. Also right now I feel like a lot of people are coming out and saying they hate tretinoin and it didn't work for them. So definitely might not work for you, but I think it's worth a try because it literally gave me perfect skin. So I'll insert some clips so you can kind of see how my skin started out and how it is now. But definitely one thing for sure is now it's very like smooth. Like the texture is a lot better and the tone is a lot better. So if you want to improve the texture of your skin, if you want your skin tone to be more even, if you want to like prevent aging, prevent fine lines and all those kinds of things. Also helps promote cell turnover, so it helps promote collagen production as well. It's really good for anti-aging and acne scarring too. So how do you actually get it though? There are apps that you can use where you can just like consult with someone online. You do like an online chat and then they give you a prescription, because you do need a prescription in the US. But I also found this website where you can just buy it. So if you guys want me to link that, let me know and I will link it for you. You can also, if you're in another country that doesn't require a prescription, you just get one. Like if you're in Italy or Mexico, you can just get it. They don't require a prescription. And the way that I started using it, I just use it once a week. And actually I never really graduated to more than that because I feel like I'm happy with the results. Like I'm sure if I used it more, maybe I would have better results, but I am happy with how it is and I just don't feel the need to like up it. If you're sensitive like me, then you might feel the same way. Like it's not completely necessary to up it. And some people have even said like you don't need the high strength one. Like I use 0.5 and some people say that 0.25 works a lot better for them because of how sensitive or dry their skin is. So it's just kind of up to you. This is the one I use. What you do is you just apply a pea-sized amount to your whole face. You do it on dry, clean skin. And then you're going to want to follow up with a really basic moisturizer that doesn't have any strong ingredients in it. Now, as far as peeling, I did peel for the first 6 weeks. So I will just be honest there. And also now I also continue to peel like right here. I don't know if you can kind of see. I kind of peel right there like all the time, and randomly I'll just kind of like peel a little bit, but I don't care because it's worth it. I feel like my skin like looks so much better, especially in real life. Sometimes on camera on the iPhone I'm like, whoa, the texture looks really bad, but in real life when I'm looking in the mirror, like the texture is so much smoother, and I feel like this is a really good, if nothing else, just like an exfoliating step for your skincare routine. And I'm going to show you my really basic skincare routine that I do. I just use a basic gentle cleanser, CeraVe cream to foam, or CeraVe foaming oil. I also have the Cetaphil one, the gentle skin cleanser. Basically like doesn't foam up at all, and I like that too for morning. Just really, you want the rest of your routine to kind of be gentle, especially on the day that you're doing the tretinoin, and especially in the beginning. And then a couple ways to kind of help prevent the peeling or make it not as bad is you can kind of do the sandwich method. You put a cream down first and then the tretinoin on top, and then another cream on top of that. So that's something you can try if you're like starting out and you're nervous. So on tretinoin day, which is Monday for me, I just do the cleanser. I dry my face and I wait for it to kind of really dry. A little tiny pea size all over the face. And then just follow up with a basic moisturizer. These two Tatcha ones I like. They're expensive though, so I also like this Innisfree one. This is the green tea one, but this one smells like oranges, like kind of very heavily scented, and I hate that. But it's such a good moisturizer. Like if they took the scent out, it'd be perfect, you know? I also like this Skin 1004 one. This whole line is like my obsession. I use a lot of it on the other days. If you watch my skincare videos, you might already know, but this one is so good for just putting on top of the tretinoin because it has a lot of ceramides, and I forget what the other one is. It has a lot of ceramides. I don't know, but it's really like nourishing. It's good for like repairing your skin barrier, that kind of thing. So it's like the perfect moisturizer to throw on top of tretinoin. You also, people like to do like a super thick, creamy moisturizer. I don't necessarily find that to be necessary, although I do get super dry and crusty, but in the summer I don't like to feel like super greasy. So I feel like this is good because it's a cream, but it's not like too much. Same with this, like it's a cream, but it's like lightweight, it's not too greasy, and it still is very nourishing and very hydrating. And that's why I like this one for the summer. It's more of like a water cream. It's like a watery, like a gel cream consistency basically. And then this one is really good for winter when you're like super extra dry and crusty. It's very kind of thick and moisturizing. For eye cream, I use this one on the days where I do tretinoin, the Hamish one. It's just like a very thick, basic eye cream. It smells good. It's like a nice light scent. So again, you don't want anything active on top of it because that's going to be like way too much. To be honest, you can spend so much money on skincare and not actually get the results that you want, whereas you can get tretinoin, a basic cream, a basic eye cream, sunscreen, and then if you just consistently stick to a good basic routine, like all the other days you're not doing tretinoin, that will actually give you really good results. Like this is actually scientifically proven to give you perfect skin essentially. And the most important part about tretinoin is sunscreen. Make sure you're wearing sunscreen and make sure you're reapplying. I'm bad with this, but I'm trying to be better. So I'm gonna go through some of my favorite sunscreens right now. The Beauty of Chosun Aqua one is really good for summer. It's like very lightweight, and I think if you have oily skin you would like this. But if you have dry skin, the Thank You Farmer Water Sun Cream. I love this throughout winter and fall, and I thought it'd be like too greasy for summer, but I've been using it and I still love it in the summer, so this is actually like insanely good. And then this one, the Sun Serum from Skin 1004. I think this is like the best one for like all skin type, like normal, dry, oily combo. I feel like it works just really, really well. It's super lightweight, serum-y feel, but it's like still nourishing and moisturizing enough. And then if you're greasy or acne prone, then this one, the Skin 1004 Centella Tea Trika Sun Milk. The texture of this is so fun. I love it so much. The only thing is, why is it looks so tiny, but honestly I think they're all the same. It's just packaging, like they're all the same size. But this one, the texture is fun, it's cooling, it's like watery, and it has tea tree, which is going to help with acne. And so if you're oily, acne prone, I think this one's going to be your best one. Okay, I basically just wanted to do this quick video to show you like the before and after, and to tell you my results. I still have pore and texture and stuff, but like from an arm's length, it looks like I have perfect skin. It's definitely way better than before. I don't want to say it's like perfect because like nobody's skin is, you know, perfect, but I'm at a point where I really feel like I can throw on lashes if I'm on vacation, just throw on the lash clusters, and I don't even feel the need to wear makeup. And I think that's perfect. That's exactly, I'm good with that. And I think I will continue to use tretinoin probably just forever. You can't use it when you're pregnant, but other than that, you're good to go. Also, if you only use it once a week like me, it's like gonna last forever. This is what, okay, this is 20 gram. I started using it last September. It's July. I still have like, I want to say more than half because it's just a pea size. So this is just a really affordable and effective way to do skincare. Like you can spend, you know, hundreds and hundreds of dollars on the super high-end luxury skincare, but it's like, does it actually work? This is like scientifically proven to actually work, and it works for a lot of people. I know some people say it doesn't work for them, but I definitely think it's worth a try. It's worth a shot. Yeah, like why spend, you know, $70 on something that it's just a cream. Like it's nice and I love it and it's luxury, but like this actually will change your skin, you know? Okay, that's it for today's little video. Let me know if you have any questions down below. You know, if you want to see more videos on tretinoin, like skincare or anything like that. I do have a playlist full of skincare videos. So if you want to see what I do on like all the other days, I was kind of thinking of doing like a whole week of skincare routine so you can see like what I do every single day. But I don't know if anybody cares, so let me know if you want to see that, and I will see you next time. Bye!